Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome, and if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. Before we get into this video, I want you guys to give this video a thumbs up, and I want you guys to hit that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Game, and to hit that post notification button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. And I'm also going to leave my Instagram on the screen so you guys can follow me. So I'm going to stop talking now and let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so by the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing with a brand called the Alexus.JCollection. And y'all, this is a black owned business, so I want you guys to check her out. I'm going to leave her Instagram on my screen so you guys can see it and so you guys can follow her on Instagram. And I'm also going to leave her link to her website in my description box, as well as her Instagram in my description box. And the brand has everything from hair to edge control to edge brushes to eyelashes. And I also have a discount code on her hair oil. That's what I'm going to be unboxing today. And I'm going to leave my discount code on her hair oil in my description box down below. So y'all, this is her packaging, and I absolutely love her packaging. Like, it is so cute, and I love gold. Gold is one of my favorite colors. So I'm just gonna open it up. Alright y'all, so this is the bag that her hair oil comes in. And I like these bags because you can keep them, and then like you can save them. All you have to do is just open it. And if you want to just close back up, you can just pull the string. And once you open up the bag that the hair oil came in, you'll also see her business card in the bag also. Okay, so this is what the oil looks like. And it says hair growth oil promotes natural growth and retention, infused with biotin and vitamin E for all hair types. And it comes in a 4 fluid ounce bottle. And let me smell it, y'all. So this oil has like a castor oil type of smell to it, but it doesn't smell bad though. And I like how the bottle has this applicator nozzle on it, so all you have to do is like just do this to your hair. And if I wanted to, I could always like open it and pour it in my hand, but I'm probably going to use the nozzle and apply it on my hair that way. But I'm really looking forward to using her hair oil because I'm really close to reaching my hair goal, which is to be to waist length hair. So I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on my hair growth with using her oil. And I might consider doing like a 2-week hair challenge where I use the oil every day to see what my results are with using the hair oil. So I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on that. But that's all I have for today's video, Faith Gang. I just wanted to show you guys my unboxing with the Alexus.JCollection, and I wanted to show you guys her hair growth oil. And again, I'm going to leave my discount code for her hair oil in my description box down below, and I'm also going to have it on the screen so you guys can see it. So with that being said, Faith Gang, I hope you guys have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next video.